Paranay. Olitisa! Olitisa! Olitisan! Guys, olitisan!
Yan, ganda.
Wow!
Ganda dito. Saglit na, ba't lang? 1 kilometer lang. Kilometers. Ganda ng panahon, di ba? Sa Tagaytay kaya parang hindi hindi siya iinit.
Yan na.
Oo, yan. Pakitutok nga dun sa Ednas Beach. Ang galing naman. Boss, magandang tanghali. Marge Ortiz for 6 packs. Hindi tayo sa
Chile, oh.
Talaga ba may nga machili?
Ayos pa. Bunga ba? Wala.
Hop-hop? Hop-hop? Bagong karabas pa namin sa sakan ka, parang nilubog sa lupa. Sakto lang yun. Yan.
May dito yun, di ba? Doon! Let's just walk tayo tayo. May baka, worried ako baka may makakuha na spot natin eh. Dito tayo magpipitch me. Pero malapit din sa beach me.
Say hi sa atin.
Sobra kayo, sir? Sobra. Sobra? Ito, sir, sundan nyo to. Ito ang pinakadulo.
Hi!
Yan, tuwid na lang, sir.
Kabida, ha? Sir, bali di ba 210 kami? Hanggang saan kami?
Bali po, ito na po yung pinakasakop.
Ito yung ito yung okay.
Dilig nyo na po yung medium, tapos dito na po yung small. Tapos,
Mami, madami siya. Mami.
Okay. Dito po. Okay. Mga bata. Gaya ka agad. Pwede naman sir. Dito lang. Mga bata.
Go.
Unblock na kami. I know, crab D. I know. I know, eto snail.
Snail yan.
Hindi, kanina may... Hello. Ilagay natin ito dito. Oh, wait, no. Lagay natin siya sa kuha. Let's put one on our side. Here. See here. Look. Guys, look at what shell I found. Look. Guys, look, it's like a pearl. But it's a shell.
Mi. Ang liwanag na. Hindi na siya against the light.
Meron kaya nabibigyan, pwede mo siguro.
May ano ba yung mo? Wala. Alak.
Wala nga eh, dapat pala ka bumili.
Bomera ko yung ano.
Kaya tayo po sa...
My shoes. Wash that my shoes.
Yes.
I'm in the highway.
Put on your shoes.
I'm keeping them clean. Ow, ow, ow. I want to play shop. Ow, ow.
Smile kayo. Say hi. Hi.
Give me the vlog. No, give me it. Mag-floating ka sa ambang vlog kayo. Oh.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Yay, go away. Hey guys. So, we're swimming today. Oh yeah, say hi. 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 No. So, guys, this is the second day. When we were swimming, so I swimming again. Mommy, say hi. Ate, say hi. Say hi. Hi.
Plus mo si daddy. Plus mo si daddy. Pato eh.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flaws, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up,